5, I'm Jessica Harrington. Tonight's top stories.
Okay, we're on the record for opening statements in People versus Leslie Janae Chance.
The Leslie Chance retrial underway. We'll tell you what happened during opening statements for this murder case that is 6 years in the making. Plus, the Board of Supervisors gearing up to discuss the service impact of PG&E. Details on the topics they'll be addressing regarding the utility company. 23 ABC News at 5 starts right now.
Live from downtown Bakersfield, 23 ABC News at 5 starts now.
Good evening. Court is officially in session, and former Fairview Elementary School principal Leslie Chance, accused of killing her husband back in 2013, is finally having her day in court after nearly 6 years of waiting. Opening statements unfolding in Courtroom 4 earlier today. 23 ABC's Tori Cooper is live from outside the courthouse with details on the trial. Tori?
Jess, I'm here outside of Kern County Superior Courthouse, where earlier today, for the very first time, we saw photographic evidence of Todd Chance's body and Leslie Chance in person. We heard two sides to one very twisted story. Now, during opening statements, this is when prosecuting and defense attorneys provide a roadmap to jurors of what they anticipate the evidence will show. Prosecuting attorneys arguing today that Todd Chance's murder was premeditated, while the defense massaging the idea of reasonable doubt.
I anticipate when all of that evidence is presented to you, that you will find that the defendant, Leslie Janae Chance, through her actions, prepared a very involved and detailed lesson plan on how to kill her husband, how to murder him, how to murder Todd Chance. And in fact, on August 25th, 2013, that's exactly what she did.
Prosecuting attorney Andrea Kohler presenting Kern County jurors with an extensive plan and a detailed timeline she says was mapped out and premeditated by Leslie Janae Chance back in 2013 to shoot and kill her 45-year-old husband, Todd Chance, who Kohler says was still maintaining a side relationship with his ex-fiancée, Carrie Williams.
It appeared from his text messages that he actually was interested in seeing Carrie Williams, seeing her in a relationship type of way.
Kohler saying Leslie Chance and Todd allegedly left their family home early Sunday morning on August 25th, 2013 in Todd's black Ford Mustang, drove along Enos Lane, where Kohler says Leslie eventually fatally shot Todd in an almond orchard, abandoned his Mustang roughly 20 miles away in a neighborhood in southwest Bakersfield, where she later changed clothes in a Starbucks and possibly ran home after. Kohler arguing Leslie Chance was motivated by explicit cell phone exchanges between Todd and his ex-fiancée, Carrie Williams.
You're going to hear, ladies and gentlemen, that those photos were sent to the cell phone of Todd Chance, the very same cell phone that ended up just a stone's throw away from his dead body.
A jealousy she says possibly fueled Chance to commit murder, anticipating that money was not the underlying motive for Chance.
There are always two sides to every story.
Public defense attorney Tony Lidgett arguing a different theory, explaining prioritized evidence was destroyed and more, while also pushing the idea of reasonable doubt to jurors.
If you can draw two or more conclusions from the circumstantial evidence, and one of those reasonable conclusions points to innocence and another to guilty, you must accept the one that